guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's Made Up in May video is on this soft smoky glam look. I just wanted to do something really simple, and this is just 3 shadows. So it's 2 mattes and a foil, and it was really quick and easy. Anyway, if you would like to see how I did this, please keep on watching. So I'm going in with the Coloured Rain Queen of Hearts palette, and the shades that I'm using are going to be Duchess, which is a medium deep warm brown, Princess, which is a mauve toned pink, and then I'm going to go in with Royal Highness, which is like a pinky gold. I don't really know what colour you'd call it, but it's what's on my lid there, but it's really pretty. And as you can see, I'm going for a softed vibe today. So I'm using the Kit Stars N30 brush, and I'm just going to place this just above my crease. If you saw my soft glam video, the half cut one, it's kind of similar to that. I'm just going to stamp it on, and I'm keeping it into like a rounded shape. And I have to stretch my eye to get it all in my creases as well. And then once my product's down, no additional product on the brush, I'm going to start softening the edge. And then with a Spectrum BL6 brush, I'm going to go in with that pink mauve shade. Right, so taking a fluffy synthetic brush, this is an XO Beauty Crease Detail brush, I'm going to softly buff out the front. And it's pretty much similar to the half cut that I did, only I've rounded the shape off better at the sides. So I'm just going to place my product down first. And then cleaning off my brush, there's no product on it, I'm then going to start dragging it out. And I go all in this inner corner and quite far up here, just as long as you made it nice and blended. And then I go out here and I round it. And then using my ring finger, I'm going to go in with Royal Highness, the foil shade, and I'm going to pat it all over where I've put the concealer, even on this outer bit, because I'm going to blend it out anyway. And then with the Kit Stars brush, I'm going to take some more of Duchess and I'm going to place it in this outer corner. Now keeping it in a rounded shape, and then no additional product but using what's there, just going to blend around the edges of where I've put that shimmery shade or foil shade. So I'm just going to do the rest of my face, and then I'm about to do the under eye and show you everything else together. Right, so I've put a brown pencil in my waterline, and I'm going to go in with Duchess now, which was the darker brown. And then I'm going to buff that out with the same BL6 brush that I used Princess with originally, because it'll just make it a nicer blend. So I've got a little bit of Princess on there, and we're going to buff that out. Always making sure I'm joining it with this outer edge. And then I'm going to take this Kiko highlighter. It's like a rose gold. It's ever so beautiful. I'm going to put that in a corner because even though it's bright, it's not too, you know, too bright that it like it takes away from the look. So the lashes I'm going to wear today are the Demi Wispy Ardell Demi Wispy Lashes. I got these from falseeyelashes.co.uk. So guys, that's the finished look. What do you think? Really quick, really simple. I really like how it came together. It looks good. I think it's a lovely daytime appropriate look, and these lashes are so comfy, Ardell Wispies, and yeah, I just thought it was a really cute look. So if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know what you think in the comments down below, and hit that subscribe button and click that bell. See, I'm back with my shades. And I will see you tomorrow in another video. Bye guys!